Hello and what's up again, Madlang people? So, as you've heard on the intro, it's a song by Pantera. It's called Cemetery Gates. And this is another comparison video. I'll be using this DIY Strat guitar. And we will be comparing it with the Washburn WT-10V that was given to me by Paul. The plan is to test if this DIY guitar with its stock tremolo system can it prove to be a good guitar for a beginner and be able to use the trem system, the tremolo bar, and will this single coil stock pickup squeal when we do pinch harmonics or artificial harmonics and doing the dive bomb, those techniques with the trem system. And also I wanted to prove to you guys that it's not about the patches, because normally you ask me about patches and then sometimes your gear is different from the gear I'm using. Remember when I did the Metallica patch, actually did the patch for the SG copy, which is humbucker. So just wanted to prove that if you change guitars, it sounds different. Plus I'm doing the recording direct to my iPad using the Behringer UCA222, so I'm not using an amp. My suggestion is I'm sharing you the patch. Tweak it, either the patch itself, experiment with it, your guitar, the tone of your guitar, plus if you're using an amp, try to fiddle with the EQ. Right, having said that, let's crack on. Hello guys, so this is our patch. So bank 2, number 23. Originally it's called Panther Walk. So it's really a dime bag patch that they made. So by Pantera is Walk, but today we've done cemetery gates because that's the only Pantera I know. Unfortunately, and I can do dime bags lead, so sorry about that. But let's try and see what I've done with these effects. Let's just see what's inside. So ZNR, and then violet distortion, corona tri, analog delay, and then spring. So let's see what's inside. ZNR, detect, guitar in, depth 100, threshold 30, decay 1. Then our violet distortion, so there it is, violet DST, gain 95, tone 50, voice 2, volume 66. Then corona tri, depth 60, speed 60, tone 70, mix 80. Analog delay, time 420, feedback 20, mix 60, tail on, and the last bit, spring, pred 6, decay 13, mix 24, tail off. And then as usual, I always select the stomp option so that I can just turn on and off the distortion. Alright, so clean tone, I turn this off, it's like that, and then press on it again to turn it on for the lead bit or the distorted sound. Thank you so much guys for watching, and thank you for your support. For those of you who are new to my channel, welcome, and please subscribe and press that notification bell so you get notified each time I'm posting new videos. And even if you're not a guitarist, if you enjoy my channel, stick around, you might learn something. It's not always about guitar. I post something else time and again, like reviews and demos of gear. So welcome if you've already subscribed, and bye for now. Ciao.